美国的德州有一间图书馆，最近因为收回来一本册，这本册借出去图书馆已经借82年啊。当年借册这个人是把这本册炸去墨西哥了后无形，尾也是借册这个人的孙发现这本册，赶紧提刑。啊，若照你讲，借遮久爱罚代票48万，也毋过图书馆无甲罚，颠倒讲要甲这本册摕出来展出。
这本伫咧图摊内面展示做看起纸拢黄去啊，顶头记录借出嘅日期1943年7月30。
In June, we received a package in the mail here at the Central Library in our processing facility downstairs. And the person who received it immediately sent an email to me and a few other people on staff that we had received a book that had been checked out in 1943.
书内面还佫加一张批，写讲伊的阿嬷当年借这本请囡仔的资料，就去墨西哥工作。过了82年，伊伫咧伊的老爸遗物内面看到这本书，内面还佫写着因家族甲这本书的故事。
What I love about this particular book that was returned over 80 years after it was due is that the sender included a letter that tells us a little bit about the history of the book and the history of their family, so that we have a little bit of information about where this book came from and why it was so overdue.
写批人悄悄会写着，希望莫解罚，因为因阿嬷已经无法度还钱啊。若是照迄当阵的规定，国家通膨率来算，过期的罚金可能超过16000美金，换算代票48万。图书馆也无甲因罚，因为图书馆即马已经取消罚金的规定。
Of course, at the time that it was checked out, we did have a fine policy, but we eliminated that entirely in 2021 because we don't want anybody to ever feel like they shouldn't come to the library because they might owe a fine on an overdue book.
即马的金氏世界纪录，过去上久的借书的日期是伫剑桥大厦1668年借出去，还回来时阵已经经过288天，创世界纪录。所以德州这本书借的日期是无够看，但是这本书即马做的状况正好，伫咧圣安东尼奥市中心图书馆展期结束了，将会提出来拍卖，拍卖钱会摕来做图书馆的基金。公司新闻张淑芬编辑。